Hello YouTube. Have you ever heard of a way to make money online called copy trading? Binance just offered this way of making money to its subscribers. This is an easy way to make money online. Let me explain to you why I think like that. It's a way of trading cryptocurrencies without having any experience with trading cryptocurrencies. You'll think that I'm crazy. Like, I'm not. Copy trading is a way of making money where you allow or allocate some of your money to experienced traders that will trade, or where you will copy automatically in an automatic way using the platform their trades that they open. Let's say I'm an experienced trader and I have 3 subscribers. Basically, if I open a new trade where I trade BTC for Ethereum, my subscribers will automatically have the same trade open in their account. And this is why we call it copy trading. Basically, there are some people that copy trades from each other. Just keep in mind that this is not a financial advice. You should analyze it and make a decision of which money or capital to put at risk. For example, if it was me and I had some children, I want to risk my children university fund or even my salary that I will feed my family with. So please keep this in mind and don't risk your capital, because like 95% of people that starts trading lose all of their money, while this is with experienced traders. And with experienced traders, the probability of having a loss is minimal. So just keep with me for a few instances and I'll show you how to copy trade on Binance. The first step, guys, is that you should come to your dashboard on Binance. We go to the nav bar in here. Then you go to the trade option, trade menu, then click copy trading. After clicking copy trading, you'll have 2 other options. It's either futures or spot. Basically, on futures, it's a financial instrument that we will speak about in a later video. And for spot, it's the money that you have, or the cryptocurrencies that you have in your account are traded instantly. It's like, this is a very simple explanation, but like, let's just skip explanations about futures or spot. Like, let's just say that futures are more risky than spot. That's something that you should keep in mind. I've already invested like an amount of $1,023, I think, 1,023 USDT. This is why you see that I already have some money in here, along with loss of $20. But basically, this is not yet closed, so don't trust the numbers. We'll have to check the numbers after at least 1 week to a month of trading, and then we will see if we have some great results or not. And like, you see that I'm already having some open trades in here, because like I've already copied some traders 2 days ago, and this is why I have an amount in here. So what's important for us is that you should scroll a bit, come in here and choose the biggest timeline that we have, which is the 90 days timelines, to check the history of these traders on the last 90 days. Basically, this is a broad advice. For any other data that you should analyze, you should go for the bigger timeline that you have. This will give you a broader view of the quality or the result that you must check in your data. I go for the 90 days, and then I'll skip the PNL, because like it might give us some biased data. I usually go for the ROI and MDD. ROI is return on investment, which means how much these traders made on their investment on the last 90 days. And for the maximum drawdown is how much an open trade has gone to the bottom before they close that trade. For example, on ROI, we can see that this is, by the way, this is only my method, and like, please if you can improve it, you can share your ideas in the comments. And like, do not take it as a Bible. This is just my own opinion. It might be good as it might be bad. So basically, I checked the ROI. So on the 90 last days, this trader made 15 times what he invested. For example, if he started with $1,000, on the last 90 days, he made like $15,000, which is a really big number. And he should have gambled his money in order to make this kind of profit. I'll also combine that with another indicator that we have, which is the 90-day MTD. For example, the maximum drawdown or the maximum loss that this trader has got on one of his trade is 14%. For example, if he started his losing trade with $1,000, the maximum he would have gotten in loss is $140, which means that he closed his trade when it reached $860. Also, like, I base my analysis on this ROI. So basically, if we go to a calculator, for example, let's say that you started with an amount of $2,000. If you followed this trader at the same time as he started trading, and not at this current moment, because like he could go on with his profits, with his profitable trades in the future, as well as he could go on the wrong direction and make you lose all of your money. You should keep this in mind. For example, if you started with him with $2,000 back when he started, at the same time, you would have made $30,000, which is a really big amount. It's like winning the lottery. But like, let's go realistic. So what I do is, like, for example, I like this trader with his 90 days maximum drawdown and also his ROI. So what I'll do is I'll open this I'll open his profile, and then I'll analyze his profile for the 90 days. I've already seen that, but like, something I keep an eye on is also how many total positions he have opened. Because, for example, this trader has only opened 57 positions on the last 90 days, which means this is a tiny amount of trades on a 90-day period, and it can give us a biased data. So I won't trust this trader too much, because like, I don't have enough data to analyze his profits and losses. But like, even with that, if he had, for example, at least some, I would say 150 trades, 200 trades, and he still got this win rate, because he would have just got lucky with his 57 trades and he made some profit on them. Like, what I'll do is I'll go to the 30 days, so the last month, since this day, he only opened 24 trades. So like, almost half of his trades were only opened on the last 30 days, which might give us a bit of mixed signals. Because like, what this shows me is, like, he's not consistent with his trades. If he was consistent, for example, 54, he had 54 trades on a 90 days periods. So basically, he should have been consistent with his trades, and 54 divided by 3, I think it's so 18. He should have gotten 18 total positions. But like, let's ignore that, because like, it's almost the same number as these ones as 24. It's not. It's only I think 6 trades between them, and also analyze his profile on the last 7 days. So he's still profitable even on the last 7 days, but like he only have got 2 winning trades out of 5. So I will either trust him with my money, or what I can do is also go to this mark copy feature, which will make you follow this trader with like fake money, and just go through the analysis if you really like it. So basically, you put him on a staging environment and keep him in there, keep a watch on him. And if you really liked him for the next 15 days, if he is still profitable, I will invest some money on this profile. And basically, this is how I analyzed my traders. Also, like even on this last 7 days, he had only a 1% MDD, which means the maximum a trade of him got in the wrong direction is by 1% of the value. For example, if he opened that losing trade with $100, he only got like $99, and then he closed his losing trade, which is cool. Something also that you must keep an eye on is the profit share, because like this copy trader is not doing it for free. For example, if you made some money while following this trader, basically, if you made, for example, $100, you would have given him 12% of your profits. So $100 of profit minus 12% will give us a profit that we will keep of $88, while you will give $12 to the trader, and that is done in an automated way. So nothing should be like, you won't have to do any other action other than allocating the amount that you want to invest with this trader, and everything will be done in an automated way. I'm talking about the profit sharing and also the opening and closing of trades. So like right now, we've gone through the analysis method. So what I'll do right now is showing you how would I copy a trader. For example, let's say I like this trader. It's not based on analysis, so I'll just show you how to copy a trader. Please do not copy this trader if you do not analyze his profile before. So I'll click copy. A new window is opened. So like basically something else that you should know of is like some traders are setting some minimum amounts and maximum amounts to copy them with. For example, this trader has set a minimum amount of 3,000 USDT, which is equivalent to $3,000 in order to copy him. But like, let's just say you already have that 3,000, because like the traders that I copied, I only copied them with an amount of 500 USDT. Let's say that you will copy this trader and you already have the $3,000. You type the $3,000. But like, please pay attention that we have 2 copying methods. We have a fixed amount method and a fixed ratio method. My advice is, please ignore this fixed amount method. Please do not use it. It's dangerous. The explanation is, for example, the trader, the most important aspect of trading is risk management, and experienced traders are good at that. And basically, by risk management, the main aspect of it is like setting as a trader how much money I want to invest out of my portfolio. For example, if I'll go on a risky trade and I am an experienced trader that has $1 million in my account, I will only go on that risky trade with $10,000. By $10,000, I'm saying it's just a small amount out of $1 million. It's only 1%, I think, or 0.1%. While if you go and this is a fixed ratio, for example, this is the fixed ratio method that you should go with. So in that case, let's say that the trader decided that he will open a risky trade and that he will only risk 1% of his portfolio. The same thing will be done on your account if you go with the fixed ratio. If you invested $1,000 with that trader and he only decided to open a trade with 1% of his portfolio, you will have the same thing, which is 1% of your account, which is 1% of $1,000. So you only invest $10 out of your account. And even if he is losing on that trade, you won't lose so much. While with the fixed amount method, what it is done in here, you tell Binance that you want to open each trade that the trader, the experienced trader, the copy trader will open with a fixed amount. For example, if I type in here, for example, $100, and you allocate to this trader 10,000 USDT, what will be done is like each time this trader opens a trade, you will open that same trade with $100, which is dangerous. And like I already explained why. So don't go with fixed amount, always go with fixed ratio and just allocate how much money you would give to that trader. You will not give him that money. It will still be managed in your own account, while Binance will have, by its informatic systems, copying the same trades as the experienced trader in your account in an automated way. Something else that you should keep an eye on is the total stop loss. Basically, for example, if I set a stop loss of 30% and I invested $1,000 in this trader, if the trader keeps on losing and I started with him with an amount of $1,000, basically Binance will stop copying that trader on my account when my balance with that trader becomes $700 or less. Maybe if he opened a very, very risky trade and it went like in a moment to a loss, to a big loss. So we lost the margin and also we lost the amount we opened the trade with. In some rare cases, I would say that Binance will stop copying that trader automatically without telling you that we stopped, like without having to notify you, and you should go to your application and stop copying that trader yourself. So this is another safety net, which is very, very good. So I will recommend 30%. So basically, whenever you lose 30% with a trader out of your total balance, it will Binance will stop copying the trader in an automated way. Basically, then if you choose your total stop loss and the copy amount, you select I have confirmed profit sharing and I have read and agreed, and you click copy. But like you should already have available or the equivalent amount available in your spot wallet. If you don't know how to do that, please just tell me in the comments and I will show you multiple methods in order to buy USDT and add it to your account on Binance. So, like now that we have shown you how to analyze traders and also how to copy a trader, let's see how should we manage our copy trading portfolio after we follow some traders. So you can see that I've already followed some traders in here, because like the interface is already showing some invested money with a loss, but like don't pay attention to this loss. I am showing you real results, whether it's profit or loss. But like I'll show you my portfolio after a month or 2 months, because like 3 days is insignificant as for like comparing results or showing your results. So you go back to the same place, copy trading, same page, trade and copy trading, and then you come here and click copy overview. So we'll have our portfolios list with our details. Still, even that my account is showing a loss, but like in fact I've already made some profit. Why is it showing that I have a loss? It is showing that I have a loss because like the trades that are still opened with the traders that I select or that I copied are in a loss. But like maybe these trades will become profitable in a day or maybe in an hour or like in the future, and I will still make money. But like I've already made some money, because like you can see that the net profit is 15 USDT, and this is only in 3 days, which is a really good profit, because like it's already 1.5% of my portfolio, and this is already on my pocket if I stop copying. But like after closing these trades, which if I close or if I stop copying these traders at this moment, I will close with a loss. While if they had no open trades, I would have been profitable. And I think that's all, guys. Like if you have any other questions, please feel free to tell me in the comments. And I'll add one thing that I forgot about, and it's the adjust balance feature. For example, if I've seen that this trader is very profitable, I can adjust my balance and give him more money out of my account so that he can make me more and more profits. But like if I'm not trusting him that much anymore and I want to reduce the money I gave him in order to manage it, I can click remove and take the money that Binance allows me to take out of his account. For example, if I found that this trader is more profitable than the second trader, I can remove money out of this trader's account and give more to this trader so that I can make more money with the profitable traders. And that was all, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, please feel free to write them on the comments, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. See you on our next video. Bye bye.